Hello traders, how are you? Welcome to the YouTube channel of Forex Planet. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, and don't forget to like the video. Okay, first of all, let's start the video with the previous signal. So this is the previous signal shared yesterday on Sunday. Sorry. Okay, so let's see what happened to that particular signal. Target hit. Okay, so as you can see, target hit is also declared there. And if we move to Forex Factory to check the news of USD and other specific pair, so today is Wednesday and there is no major news of USD. Okay, so let's take a look on Thursday. No particular just us news. This is a news of almost 40 to 80 pips movement, and this is not a very special news, so don't be very about that. Okay, on Friday we have a again medium impact news, the orange one, and that's it. And the previous 2 days we don't have any news, uh, which means the gold will move fundamentally, and the fundamental movement is always very dangerous. As you can see in the chart, these are the fundamental movement. Okay, there was no news, that's why market was uh, in the only in one direction was moving. Okay, so why these candles are fall, I have research on them. So this is a new topic, so we will not open that topic right now. So let's try to focus on our analysis. Okay, so first of all, the gold was moving in this region. Okay, as you can see, so first of all, let's remove this and let's take a look on according to H4 hour, so we can draw our similar structures. Okay, according to H4 hour, the main resistance level of the gold is that. Okay, so this region and this zone is very important, and after that there is a mini zone for buying if you want to hold long this red zone. Okay, so these are two support levels. This is a beast level. Why? Because it is acting as a support from above side and as resistance from low side downside. Okay, so which means this zone is very important, and as you can see, market was retesting this zone again and again, and somehow it has broken down this successfully. Okay, so according to 4 hour candle, let's draw a this level are parallel regression channel. Okay, and according to these these H4 candles, we have got only this structure. Okay, let's move to H1, the main candle. This is the H1 zone, and as you can see, the market is almost following our analysis. Okay, buy, sell, 50% retracement, buy, 50% retracement, and now it will go up. Okay, so let's settle this movement. This was according to H4. Okay, so now what will happen next in the gold? As you can see, according to H4 candles, there were two zones and there are still two zones, this red zone and this red zone. And according to H1 candle, we can draw a new zone, new buying zone, this zone. Okay, so these are three zones for buying position. The next movement will be very similar from the like the previous one. So there are two possible scenarios that the gold can retest back on this red zone, which is a area of 2735. From that position it will test its again all-time high and it will retest 50%. Let me show you by zooming in the video. Check out this line. Okay, so this line is a 50% retracement line, which means the market can hold or market can retest 50%. Okay, this is the central line and many of you may be unaware about that, so it is my responsibility to give knowledge maximum as I have in my mind. Okay, so there are two zones still in the gold. This zone is very far from here, so I don't think so the market can cover a great difference in only 2 days. So let's forget about this zone. Suppose we have only this, let me draw. Suppose we have only I am just trying to figure it out. Okay, suppose we have only this zone in the gold. Okay, according to this zone, if you forget the previous history and you have to think that the gold is started from that point. Okay, so if you can see, this is a similar pattern of buying. Okay, the market was moving like that. This is called as ascending buying order, which is a term introduced by me. Ascending buying order. What is ascending buying order? Let me give some knowledge. Okay, this is a higher high, this is a higher high, again this is a higher high, and this is again a higher high. As you can see in the chart, the first higher high was lower than the next was lower than, so market is moving like that. Okay, so in every day, after every day, it is moving a new high, which is obviously higher from the first higher. So which means the gold is in the bullish momentum like that. Okay, every new higher is above from the previous high. For example, this is the first high, it is lower than the second one, and it is lower than the first one. This is known as ascending buying order. Okay, so again let's come to the topic of gold, and we have two zones. Let's say that we have this zone first of, and the second zone is that zone. Now there are two possibilities in the gold that the market first of can be possible, the market can retest this zone. Why this zone? Because this is a resistance zone, and from downside the market was rejecting this area. Okay, and now the market, if market will retest this area, the lower boundaries like that, this is a support area, this area will push the market in the above side. So this area is very important because the support and resistance area are moving on the same zone. Okay, so let's finish this debate, and I was just trying to clear a concept of yours so you can get some knowledge from me. First off, now we will apply a trend based fib extension, and it will give us the next area of buying. Okay, so according to that, the next area of gold is 2760. So we can draw a line on 2760. Okay, and now we will apply our regression channel to check is this the area correct drawn by the fib extension level. So according to this channel, as you can see, the next movement, the next find of the gold is this line. Why this line? Because this is the highest point of the market, and we don't have any previous data from the history, so we can say that this is resistance level and this is support level. No, we don't have any idea to get that particular idea. So how can, why market reject from that? Why I have given you a target of like that 2730? Why? As you can see, the line is I have updated this area on Sunday, which means this area was particularly designed to reject the market. Why we have, I have drawn this area on 2 days ago on Sunday, because this is the previous, because this is not from the previous data, this is the fib extension, and now the fib extension is saying that the next area of the market will be 2760. But the market can test this area directly, by this method, or the market can make a small pullback to make a double bottom pattern here, or after that it can be in the bullish direction. Yes, is it possible? It is possible. The market can make a little weak downside. For example, let's say we have this support area. Okay, the market will make a candle lower than this, and it will leave a wick, and now it will go in the upside direction, which is done to remove the stop loss of buyers as well as sellers, like that. For example, why this candle is made? Obviously this is a stop loss hunting. Okay, so like that the market can retest below the red zone, but the closing of the candle matters. If the closing will be below than the red zone, like that, which means yes, it is going to represent, it is going to retest its lower zone. Yes, maybe possible, then you can take a buying entry. Otherwise, the main level of gold buying are two levels I have drawn on screen. This one a mini zone, and this one a beast zone, a perfect zone for buying. Okay, as you can see, the market last time reject this zone from the upside direction and it break its all-time high. Now market is here. So according to the previous data, now I am explaining, according to the previous data, the market can make a small possible pullback here, and then it will go up, and then again we have this area. The market will represent, the market will retest this area, and now it will go up, and again this area, like a graph, it will go up and up. And when you try to draw a parallel regression channel, it will meet the requirement. So this is all about the gold. If you are happy with the analysis, and if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I have already pasted my Telegram ID, WhatsApp number in the comment section. So if you are interested to message us, yes, you can send message, and don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.